How to make homemade Maqluba Magic, Eid Festival Special, affordable for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, and Eid Mubarak. Today, we're bringing a taste of the Middle East straight to your kitchen with a special dish called Maqluba. This delightful dish, also known as Maqluba Magic, is a true celebration of flavors and aromas, perfect for your Eid festivities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, follow along as we take you through the steps to create this mouth-watering masterpiece. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need for our Maqluba Magic. Don't worry, these are all affordable and easy to find at your local grocery store. Here's what you'll need. 1. Basmati rice. 2. Chicken or meat of choice. You can also make it vegetarian by skipping the meat. 3. Assorted vegetables, eggplant, cauliflower, potatoes. Feel free to use your favorites. 4. Spices, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, salt, pepper. 5. Olive oil. 6. Water or chicken stock. 7. Optional garnish, toasted nuts, fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Preparation section. 1. Preparing the ingredients. Start by washing and chopping your vegetables into uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking. If you're using meat, cut it into bite-sized pieces and season with salt, pepper, and your choice of spices. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. 2. Sautéing and layering. Heat some olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Sauté the chicken until it's browned and cooked through. Remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add a bit more oil if needed and sauté the chopped vegetables until they start to soften. Once the vegetables are slightly tender, remove them from the pot and set them aside. 3. Building the layers. Now, it's time to assemble our Maqluba. Start by layering the bottom of the pot with your choice of vegetables. Next, add a layer of the cooked meat on top of the vegetables. Then, evenly spread the rinsed basmati rice over the meat layer. Sprinkle your favorite spices over the rice. This is where you can get creative with flavors. 4. Cooking the Maqluba. Pour water or chicken stock over the rice until it's fully submerged. Cover the pot with a lid and bring it to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the rice is cooked through and the liquid is absorbed. 5. Flipping the Maqluba. Carefully remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for a few minutes to cool slightly. Now comes the exciting part, flipping the Maqluba. Place a large serving platter over the pot and, holding both tightly, quickly flip them over. Gently lift the pot to reveal the beautiful layers of vegetables, chicken, and rice. 6. Serving and garnishing. Serve your Maqluba hot, garnished with toasted nuts and fresh herbs if desired. This dish pairs perfectly with a side of yogurt or a simple salad. And there you have it, homemade Maqluba Magic, a true delight for your Eid festivities. Remember, cooking is all about creativity and sharing love through food. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. We hope you give this recipe a try and make it a part of your Eid traditions. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much, Maqluba Magic lovers.